Hey guys, it's Mr. Goliath. We're starting day 2 now for our tutorials. So we are back into Piscal app, and this is where we're headed. We're just starting with the rocket and our alien, which we have in different layers, and we're going to create movement. So the easiest way to do this is I'm going to duplicate this frame, and then I'm going to move it. And basically we're going to go every other. So here's a down one. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to move it down. Continue that process until you have 10 frames. Okay, so now that I have all 10, I'm going to start working on movement. So I want the onion skin is on, so you can see right now it's clear, you can't see it. I click the onion skin again. Now I can see the movements. I'm going to click the hand tool here, which is the move tool. And now I'm just going to slightly move the Space Invader, and then I'm gonna, or actually if I'm on my first frame, yeah, that's second frame, so I don't know. Okay, so there's first frame, second frame is where I start. So I'm just gonna push over a little bit. My goal is by the end of the 10th frame, I want this Space Invader to be right about here. Okay, and this is where the Space Invader is gonna get shot. On the flip side, my rocket guy is going to move a little differently. So then I have to go into the layer. Here's my rocket ship. And same thing, now on frame 1, I actually want the rocket all the way over, and I'm going to move him down just a little bit. So then the next one, the rocket's going to move a little faster. I want the rocket to get all the way to the middle, and I need it to get there by the 6th frame. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 is all going to be in the same spot. Okay, so as I'm clicking, we're going to do that. And make sure you line up. It looks like mine are not all the way even, so I'm going to clean that up and get all 10 of them. So the rocket ends up right about here. That's where he's going to end up on the 10th frame. So you can go ahead and do those steps now. All right, so if you look at my sequence, here's frame 2, 3, 4. I'm going to turn the onion skins off so it's easier to see. 5. Here's 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like you have to be careful. I accidentally deleted one of the frames by hitting that. So now mine's back. Here's 9, here's 10, and it's set up where we're going to shoot probably around the 6th frame, and then by the 10th one, the explosion is going to be well underway, which we'll learn in the next video. So what I'm looking for now, you're going to set up those frames, which will end up looking something like this right here. You can go ahead and do that. Good luck.